Look closely at this. Over 19 million views in just 30 days. This channel completely cracked the YouTube algorithm, pulling in millions of views with ridiculously simple videos of RC submarines and toy ship. Today, we're exposing their secret, and I'll show you exactly how to replicate this viral strategy to get millions of views using 100% AI. Let's dive in. Alright, let's break this down. Start with your clean ChatGPT interface. Click the plus menu, head to Apps, and then jump into GPTs. Here's the secret sauce. In the search bar, type Miniature Boat Generator. Once you start the chat, the GPT presents you with a menu of 10 viral potential scene ideas. Everything from World War II battleships to nuclear submarines. For this tutorial, we're choosing option 8, a container ship in a Cornish harbor. Boom! Instantly, the GPT suggested optimized models. Nano Banana 2 for image and Kling 3.0 for video. Now, let's bring those prompts to life. Head over to Google Flow and click Create with Flow to enter your high-speed workspace. Simply paste that optimized image prompt, hit generate and watch the AI start crafting your cinematic video in real time. And just like that, absolute realism. Look at the lighting and the water physics on this ship. Now, let's take it up a notch by turning our static image into cinematic motion. First, select the Image to Video tool and set your dimensions to 9:16 for that perfect shorts look. Upload the high-quality image we just generated. Next, paste that detailed video prompt we got from our GPT. Hit Create Video and watch the magic happen. In seconds, your static photo is now a professional-grade RC ship sequence, ready to go viral.